You care about things a little too much. You are always stressed, overthinking about opinions that don't really matter in your life. Why? Because your teacher, which is society, has hidden a very important skill from you, not giving a duck.
Here are 7 reasons why you should stop giving a fuck.
If you're watching this video, chances are you suffer from a disease that is rampant lately. It's called give a fuck.
The fastest way to stop giving an F is to remember rejection is normal.
This one talking about why you should not give a fuck or stop giving a fuck.
You give a duck because you think you're supposed to, and society has trained you to care about literally everything. How do you look? What do others think? What is trending? Who liked your photo? Who replied back to you? Who didn't reply back to you? You're programmed in a way that you are aligning yourself with the external standards that the society has created because you think you're supposed to. But in reality, all that external standards has nothing to do with your life or your goals. He's talking so bad about your favorite team. You should reply. Okay, so this made you angry, frustrated, you lost a lot of energy and your time. But tell me one thing, did it even move a needle in your life? How about the time when you panicked when you didn't get a reply back? Did panicking get you a reply? No, but you still wasted your energy. Do you know why? Because I give a duck. Whenever you give a duck, it costs you your energy, your time, your mental peace. Whenever you care too much, you lose your confidence, you lose your vision, you get distracted, and you're constantly chasing for validation and approval of other people. And honestly, most of the people are too busy thinking about themselves that they don't have time to think about you. But here you are, trying to impress them. And do you know why you feel so tired? It's not because you're doing too much, it's because you're thinking too much. When you don't give a duck, you switch off the noises around you and you can think clearly. What is your goal? What are your values? What do you want in life? What are your priorities? Don't let the noise distract you. Social media opinions? Don't know, don't care. Random gossips? Not needed. That person who doesn't like you? Wait, who are you? If it doesn't align with your priorities, it doesn't deserve to give a fuck. I mean, duck.
Yeah, easier said than done. Tell us how.
Sure. What are your priorities? Write down things which matters to you, like make a list, whether it's family, health, career, whatever. Make your priority list and give a duck about all that things that's on the list. And if it's not on the list, it doesn't deserve a duck. No validation. Nobody's opinion matters until and unless you give them permission to. So stop waiting for compliments. Trust me, you don't need external approvals to know your worth. No means no. Just say no to the things that don't serve you. Just play a game. Either it has to be oh yeah or it's a oh no. Nothing in between. Set boundaries. If you know somebody is draining your energy, just let them go or just maintain some distance. And don't feel guilty because you don't owe anybody unlimited time and attention. So you don't have to be guilty about it. If somebody is draining your energy, just tada bye bye. Discomfort is cool. People will judge you no matter what you do, so just accept it, let them talk, and just understand this thing that their opinion has nothing to do with you and everything to do with them. Also, there is a reason why I'm wearing this while I'm talking about this point. If you know, you know. Detach from outcomes. Not everything is in your control, so just do your best and let it go. So when you don't give a duck, you have more time, you have more energy, you have more confidence, you become unstoppable because you don't have a baggage of unnecessary things letting you down. You just become more powerful and it kind of shows in your personality and people tend to notice that. So it just eliminates a lot of bad things in your life and it gives more space to good people, good opportunities. But not giving a duck does not mean that you become a mean person and you're screw everyone. It means that you choose your time and energy wisely, and it does not mean that you become emotionless. You can still care deeply about people and things that matters to you. Also, come closer. There are going to be some people who will have a problem with this side of you, but it's their opinion and it's their responsibility to care about that. You don't have to give a duck. Oh, and of course, it does not mean that you will not fail. You will fail, you will screw up, you will face criticism. But because you will stop giving a duck, it won't paralyze you. And lastly, your time and your energy is precious, so make sure to use them wisely. And whenever you're stuck, just ask yourself,